our team to be on top for the championship. Our first objective is the championship of Cameroon. That make us go to the Champions League, African Champions League, so that we are on three steps. We have three. We have championship. We have Cameroon Cup, and then African Championship League. So that our preparation, like I said, is during three weeks. That's why we are begin quickly last Tuesday. I want to tell you that this match organized by the president. I want to thank our direction, because during my profession, I hope 20 years ago, no Cameroonian team play against a African team in friendly match. That is a good opportunity. So that let me thank again my direction.
Lisa came from CRTV Northwest. Straight away, we would like to find out from the coach how apt is PWD in terms of manpower. We know that you have a new signing. Aside that, what else are you doing as far as your manpower is concerned?
Hello. Okay. If you have a 10 player, for example, you have to use them all, depending of their form. Okay. So in our politics, I want to use all my players. But now there is a natural selection, because you say when you want to travel to Guinea Equatorial, I take that example. You must have a passport. You see, so some players not have a passport. That's a natural selection. So the others, they can play the championship. That's the way.
All right.
I didn't see some key players like Awudu Luka. I didn't see Minov. And then your top scorer, Leon Goyomo, you parted ways with him. What is happening? Why did we release Minov and Awudu? And then for Leon Goyomo, what is your strategy? What is your plan to ensure that your front is still going to be intact in this upcoming season?
I'm a trainer who wants a result. If you hear that three types of my qualification, you are going to understand what I'm going to say now. Because football is a team, is a collective game. It's not an individual game. So everybody going to have a correct state of mind, a collective state of mind. And then me, in myself, I'm not intransigent of this. First of all, I begin with Awudu Lukon. Awudu Lukon is a great player. You see, he's a great player. But what I know Awudu player last year, last year, because I have it in Cosmos and Renaissance on Tunu. So when I take Awudu in my team last year, I hope that Awudu change his state of mind. I constate that it's not changed, because it's very, very individual. I take a simple example who brought our state of mind: solidarity. Some player will not call to the match, receive when we win match. All the players who take part of the match collect the money, maybe 2,000 share. No, collect first 2,000 and share it to to the others who not participate to the match. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When Lukon not give nothing, and that their teammates who are the leaders, Nomba, Buri, Mba. Don't tell me that, because they know my reaction. Yeah, it's my reaction. So when the deputy, I don't know his name again, gave us the Asia Africa food, bring it to us, and give us 200,000 francs. When to share it, the leader take a decision, not give this money to Lukon. And then Lukon come to complain to me. Well, I don't know why. Why do not you give the money to Lukon? They say that, coach, bon, on t'a caché ça depuis parce que on savait que tu allais même le chasser. I say, why? They say that Lukon never give a solidarity contribution. I say, what? That's the way. That's the way. And Lukon every time came late to the camp. To the camp. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and the 5th time, I tell them to go back home. You exaggerate. You are in Bamenda. You came late. Lukon, no. And then you want to be professional. So that's why so many things like this. This year, I want to have all my team look in the same direction. So I move Lukon to that group. That's why I move Lukon to that group. Minov is the same case. That's the president. I speak in front of him. I give all my confidence to Minov. All my confidence. Myself, I put the name of Minov to the April. I put his name. I tell to the president that that's a great player. That's a great player. You feel count on him to place him in professional and then bring money to the club. But I have a decision, a bad decision, because Minov is lazy. He's lazy. Small-headed, not come to the training. Go to the national team, he's not go because a small malaria. It ever tell me something, I constate when the national team call me, mais coach, ton joueur est où? J'ai dit quel joueur? Mais tu m'as donné combien de noms? J'ai dit mais comment? Il est où? I take my telephone, I call Adia. Oh, the coach, I sick. That is a great, in the football, we call that, en anglais, en français on appelle ça une faute lourde. Une faute lourde. So, I come, I left his pass, I gave him again my confidence. He play matches, but all the matches who did not take part because not coming to the training. So, in my team, I want to give a confidence in all the players. But you have to comment on dit ça? Reciprocate that confidence. You see? So that's why I speak to Ade, I speak to him. Si Boyomo come here, me bring Boyomo in Bamenda. I bring Boyomo in Bamenda. He signed 2 years. 2. They are Bakireki, they are Nilo, they are Boyomo, they are Damlabe, they are Zospiro, they are who again? Zame, Nga. They signed 2 years ago. Their contract. Okay? All of us, you know that Boyomo score at 11th June. Okay? We support Boyomo. We do our best to encourage him. Even the president do the things, we don't know, to encourage him. So after that, he scored 11 goals. Myself, in the training, I deny Boyomo to shoot penalty. It's the president that tell that to the player, no, laissez-le tirer les penalty. Because I wanted him to score in the game. So after that, Boyumo be
Meilleur buteur.
meilleur buteur. So I stayed to Yaoundé. Boyumo called me, coach, how? Il dit que non, ça va. Bon, mes conditions, ce sera comment? Where is my condition gonna be? I said that no, your condition, you are a best scorer. We win the championship. Firstly, our condition must change. Particularly you. So calm down. You have to go to play Champions League African. That's a good visibility to you. So we have 1 year more contract again. So we have to play that, and then if you want to go everywhere you go, you want. I think Boyumo hear me, understand me. We come from Bamenda for that reception the president gave to us to separate.
Yes.
So when we go back, Boyumo called me again. He said that President of Tonnerre go to the FECAFOOT, looked at his contract ended at 2/12, comment on dit ça, 2023. 2023. I said, how? Comment tu peux dire des choses comme ça? I filled myself your contract and then you sign. I tell you that your contract is 2 years. So, in 2021, your contract ended. Il s'est mis non. Le président de Tonnerre, le président, il te dit, bon, calmons. Qu'est-ce que tu veux? J'ai demandé ma libération au président, je ne me sens plus à l'aise. À Bamenda, je lui ai dit que non, tu ne peux pas dire ça. Tu as marqué ton but à la 11e journée. Tous les supporters de Bamenda t'ont encouragé. All the supporters encourage you. You're not fitted that. You're not fitted that. What is the problem? Tell me, what is your problem? He told me that he wants his liberation. I said, non, tu ne peux pas me raconter des choses comme ça. I shared this conversation with SG, with President, with President Oba. Make them hear what Boyumo says. I share our conversation, all our conversation, about 43 minutes in the telephone. I speak to Boyumo. You don't understand. He said to the radio that I abuse to his confidence. That make me happy. I don't know. I help many players. I text many players and bring them up. He deceived me. I continue my work because I love small boy body. So I tell Boyumo, say okay. Si c'est comme ça, restez tranquille. I tell to my administration that President, I beg on give the liberation to Boyumo. I know what? I don't mean that kind of player. Boyumo come to Bamenda is nothing. Nobody know Boyumo. And then he came to Bamenda. PW to the Bamenda. All the supporters of Bamenda make Boyumo what he came now. Et I repeat it to you. PW de Bamenda a fait de toi ce que tu es devenu. Et c'est comme ça que tu les remercies. It's so you take them, you tell them, thank you. Okay. So when the president gives me his liberation, the president tell me that, bon coach, si tu peux nous faire rentrer un peu d'argent dans d'autres clubs qui veulent le prendre, I said to the president, let's give him his liberation. Make it go. John Bosco is my wanted to, how can I say that? He's my peripheral, voilà. He's my petit who is polyvalent. He's my petit who, when I speak to you in the field, is respect the instruction. So he's there. He's not. he's there. I speak with him this morning. He's in Douala now. He's select in the casting in Douala. So he will come next week. So everybody is important in our team. Now it's also like Bakeleke. Bakeleke is a stabilizer in our midfield. And then when Bakeleke goes, I know that Tama and I am, we speak a lot about this. How can our team play again without Bakeleke? So we found the solution. And then we continue to play. We continue to win the match. Maybe it's not the same conservation of the ball, but that's the way we have to adapt. So now, Billy, before no Billy, he will come to the team. You have Ngondi Vincent, who came from Medellin. He can play just his role. You have again Sonshi, who's come. You have Mohamed, who come from Ast. He's the same player. He's the same profile. He's the same profile. So give me time. Okay, give me time to see how to manage it. Give me time how to see how to manage all this. So up to the 7th of October, I'm going to have a good idea about it.
Thank you.